In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color to your Shopify theme, a simple yet powerful way to personalize your online store. Color schemes play an essential role in brand identity and can significantly enhance the user experience. Let's dive right in. To start, head over to your Shopify homepage. Once you're there, navigate your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Online Store tab. This action will lead you to the Themes section, where you'll manage the appearance of your store. When you're in the Themes area, you'll see the options available for your store's look and feel. Look for the Customize button and give it a click. This button is your entry point to the visual elements of your Shopify store. Within the customization options, you'll find a small gear icon, or what is often referred to as the theme settings. Click on this to access a variety of settings that control the different aspects of your store's theme. Next, you're going to spot the Colors drop-down. Selecting this will open a menu where you can manage your store's color palettes. Within the Colors section, you'll notice an option to add a scheme. Click on Add Scheme to introduce new color palettes to your theme. This feature is particularly useful if you want to create a consistent brand identity across all your visual elements. Once you've opened up the color scheme editor, you have the flexibility to customize various areas such as the background, headings, and text. This allows you to tailor your visual style to match your brand's unique personality and ambiance. After deciding on your colors, it's important to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the upper right of the customization window. Clicking this ensures that all your changes are applied and retained for future reference. Having saved your work, you'd want to ensure everything looks perfect. Click on Exit to close the customization interface. To verify that your chosen colors are applied correctly, navigate back to your store's homepage. From here, choose a section on the left, like the header, and scroll to the Colors tab. Here, you will click on the Scheme drop-down and see the colors you've applied. And that's all it takes. You've just successfully customized your Shopify theme with your very own color scheme. Taking the time to adjust the colors of your store not only makes it more engaging, but also helps in creating a memorable impression on your customers. So enjoy your new color scheme and watch as it enhances the beauty and professionalism of your online store.